Hi friends, welcome to our channel. And in this video, I will show you and tell you how you can easily turn off red notifications on your iPhone. Friends, please subscribe to this channel, put your likes, and also write your comments. So let us get started with you. And in order to do that, you're gonna have to open up your iPhone settings on your iPhone, and then scroll down until you find the message settings and go through them. And here, scroll down in this area, you'll find a feature like Send Red Notifications. I have an older model iPhone, so I unfortunately don't have this feature, but if you see it on yours, you can deactivate it easily. You'll just need to turn off this button right here in front of the feature. This way, the person who sends you a message, he will not receive notifications that you have read or not read this message. Friends, this is a very simple way to disable red notifications on your iPhone. Please, friends, subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to put your likes and also write comments. See you soon.